The Pioneer TS A1677S speakers are heavily advertised as an easy upgrade for better sound over factory systems. But before you buy them, you need to hear the full story. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down 7 major warnings you should know about the TS A1677S. First, the bass response is weak. Despite being a 6.5-inch speaker with a decent frequency range on paper, real-world bass output is disappointing. Without a subwoofer or serious EQ tuning, the low end feels thin and lacks the depth needed for full, rich sound. Second, they need proper amplification to sound decent. If you're planning to power them off a factory head unit, you're setting yourself up for a flat and lifeless listening experience. These speakers need a strong aftermarket amplifier to unlock anything close to their rated performance. Third, highs can become harsh. The tweeters deliver a lot of detail, but at higher volumes, they can sound sharp and piercing. Without careful tuning or DSP adjustment, the highs can quickly lead to listening fatigue during longer drives. Fourth, build quality feels basic. While Pioneer is a respected brand, the materials used in the TS A1677S, especially the cone and surround, feel lightweight and less rugged compared to other speakers in the same price range. Over time, especially in vehicles exposed to heat and vibration, performance can degrade faster than expected. Fifth, mid-range clarity is only average. Vocals and instruments lack the warmth and fullness that better-built speakers provide. The sound can feel thin and hollow, making certain genres like rock, acoustic, or live recordings less enjoyable. Sixth, real-world sensitivity is lower than advertised. Although Pioneer lists respectable sensitivity numbers, in practical use they require more power than you'd expect to hit satisfying volume levels without distortion. Seventh, better options now exist. For a similar price or slightly more, brands like Infinity, JBL, and Hertz offer speakers with better bass, smoother highs, stronger materials, and easier integration, making the TS A1677S harder to recommend today. In conclusion, while the Pioneer TS A1677S may look like a solid upgrade on paper, hidden issues with bass performance, harsh highs, power demands, and overall sound balance mean you should think twice before committing. There are better choices for a clean, dynamic upgrade.